Hello and welcome to this week's Superintendent Update. It's good to see everyone here this week. We had a fantastic week last week. We were able to get into several schools. I've been able to visit a lot of classrooms, well over 60 classrooms over the last 2.5 weeks. One of the best parts of my job is being able to be in classrooms, be able to see students. I love our students, love our teachers, and they're doing a tremendous job. Also got invited to the Farm Bureau Country Ham Breakfast at the Kentucky State Fair last week. What a fun opportunity to really be able to see some people that are influential and really be able to make some connections that we hope that'll help Shelby County and Shelby County Public Schools. Had an opportunity to go out and see a lot of our teams, our middle school teams especially, competing on the athletic fields and courts around our great communities. It's always great to be out and supporting our students, and I hope you get out. Our football teams opened up their season last week, and this week, Friday Night Lights begins. So come out, support our teams. They both play at home. I'm gonna be at both places because I wanna see both of them compete and open their season, so I'm really excited about that. Certainly volleyball, soccer is going on. Get out and support our student athletes. They're doing a tremendous job. And I have received some good emails, some frustrated emails about transportation. One of the things I would tell you is our Board of Education has committed a lot of funding for transportation. We are now paying more for a first-year driver than just 5 or 6 years ago for a 27th year driver. So it is not a thing where our Board of Education has not made a serious commitment to transportation. We are giving stipends this year to entice retired drivers back to drive for us. But the simple answer is this: we don't have enough drivers. And so when a sub of a sub calls out sick, buses are going to be delayed. And our transportation team, our drivers, are so dedicated, and they are willing to do whatever it takes. And they run double runs, and they work longer hours to try to get our kids home safely in a reliable manner. And so reliability and safety are our #1 concerns. And they do both, and they do it very well. And sometimes there are things that are outside of their control. We do have 5 or 6 drivers that are currently being trained. When those drivers are trained, that will help a tremendous amount. If you know of anyone who is interested in being a bus driver, if you know anyone who has their CDL already and would like to come be a full-time or even a part-time driver, a sub driver, that would help us a huge amount. And the more drivers we get, the more reliable we can be, the more precise on time we can be, and it will certainly ease a lot of frustration. So help us get the word out. We need drivers. But I do want to thank our transportation department because they're doing a great job and sometimes in very tough situations. Construction is going great. You see some drone footage on our website, and we're excited about that piece of it. And complete the circle. The first pillar is coming out, elevating instruction, so look for that. I think there's a link right there at the bottom of your page. Yep, I just saw it, it popped up, that's cool. So that really gives you a vision for our district. So that is this week's Superintendent Update. Take care.